Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm going to be doing a installation and an overview of this product, and I'll do a update in about a month or so on how this thing is holding up, giving you my honest review. So first things first, what do you get in the box for this motorcycle fork stem mount from Quadlock? I already did a video showing the case that I got. Specifically for this motorcycle fork stem mount, and this is the actual mount. I'm going to be putting this on my motorcycle. I ride a Honda CBR 300R, and yeah, so what do you get in the box? You get, of course, the installation instructions. You get a bunch of really cool stickers, and then right here, this is the locking mechanism, so let's go ahead and remove that. And yeah, so one concern that I have is that it is plastic, so this isn't as robust and as tough as some of the other options out there, like the mount from Rockform. However, this offers a lot more customizations for your ride, for your mounts. They're kind of really leading the way with their anti-vibration dampener and yada yada yada. And I think they did upgrade the motorcycle mount to where they have an aluminum version of this. However, the plastic one is going to hold up just fine. It is plastic. What you might notice in the future is that you'll probably see a little bit of fading, especially if you're going to be parking this a lot in the in the sun, if you live like in an apartment, or if you're just ride a lot. But you can easily get contact chemical guys and say, hey, I have this small plastic pieces and I want to protect them from fading and yada yada yada, and they'll point you to the right point you in the right direction and sell you the right product to keep this looking really really nice. And if it really bothers you that much, you can always replace like the little tab here. So yeah, oh look at that right there. You got a little bit of blue Loctite, some dry blue Loctite. Let me see if I can. Oh man, it's hard to see. Yeah, it's right there. You get a little bit of blue Loctite in there, so this is going to be quite secure once you're on once this is mounted properly. Loctite's really important on something like this, just because the vibrations in general of a product, of a machine, etc., of something like this. It can vibrate out of place and it'll fly off, and that'll really suck. You don't want that. You have these spacers, so this goes into the fork stem. Looks like they already pre-installed smaller ones. I don't know which ones I'm going to use. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and start preparing this. So you got to remove this screw closest to the actual base of the fork stem mount. Just do the rest by hand. It's not that big of a deal. This mount or this accessory kit also does come with a little tool. I'm not going to use it. I don't think it's necessary. Cut my nails at a really inopportune time. There we go. And this is how you tighten it, I suppose. Yeah, see, look at that. When you start tightening it, it moves the spacers about. So that's how you you insert this thing into the fork stem mount, then you tighten it, and yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and go about installing this right now. All right, let's go over to the motorcycle. There we go, there we go. All right, everything back where it should be. I have no idea how this is supposed to work. I lied. All right, let's see if we can get this thing tightened up. Oops. There we go. Starting to feel resistance. Oh yeah, that's not going to go anywhere. That is not going to go anywhere. Maybe a couple more turns. Okay. Let us go ahead and install Whoops, that's backwards. Oh, whoops, wrong side. Let's see if that is going to be appropriate. Let's go ahead and tighten this guy up with just a little bit. I think this is where I want it. All right, let's go get the phone and let's see what this looks like. All right, guys, we're back on the bike. There we go. Whoops, wrong way. Oh, whoops. Totally the wrong way. Go ahead and lift that up just a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. There we go. Let me turn on this light for you guys. There we go. I can probably stand to move this just down just a little bit more. Oops. I think that is a little bit more appropriate. What do you guys think? All right. Maybe right here should be okay. Okay. All right, let's try this out. Damn. What am I going to do? Okay. So I can go quite a ways further down more. I am committed to finding a viable solution for this. All right, well, I guess that's, I can't really do it vertically. All right, so I had to play around with it for a little bit, but it's not going anywhere. Also, this is going to be rose, or it's going to be a little bit risen. Let me see if I can, yeah, so we'll see. Yeah, this is barely making be quiet. I dig it.
I'm gonna take some practice. But yeah, it's not in the way. It's not making contact with the body of the bike or with the gas tank. It's not preventing me from having access to my controls or seeing the important information on the dash here. So yeah, this is fantastic, you guys. Exactly how I intended it. All right. Let me know if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns about this system here. I dig it. I dig it a lot, man. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. All right. Let me know what you guys think. Peace.